Alright guys, so it's been a week in the Mazda 3. A lot of my opinions haven't really changed a whole lot since my last video on this car. Tonight I wanted to take you out on kind of a night drive and show you what the headlights look like, what the car's dashboard and everything looks like at night, and just kind of get some more video and get some more seat time in this car. First of all, probably the most important thing to note in this type of a driving situation is that the headlights are really good. They do automatically turn according to your steering inputs, and as you can probably see through the video, they light up the road pretty well. They have a nice cutoff height, they have a nice cool daylight temperature to them. They're very good. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the headlights on this car. I'm still really impressed with this transmission. It's an automatic that I feel like it's reading my mind. It does what I want it to do. It does what all the other automatics should be doing. It's a really nice transmission. And sometimes it's a little bit jerky, a little bit almost too quick to respond. It could be smoothed out just a tad. But in general, it's really, really good. It's paired so well to this engine and power plant. One of my favorite features with this car all week has been the radar guided cruise control. It's super usable. I love just going into traffic, turning this system on, and not having to think about acceleration or braking. It's not a system that interferes very much, and it's very usable. It's a really nice setup. It's easy to turn on, easy to adjust. Ergonomically, all the buttons are in a good placement. Yeah, look at those headlights. You can really see how much they light things up. Let's throw it into manual mode here. One thing I have noticed is that upshifts, there's a little bit of a delay in manual mode. You'll have to shift about maybe 200 or 300 RPM before the red line, otherwise you'll just stay pegged at the limiter. Downshifts though are pretty immediate with a little bit of a blip as well, which is nice. I'm really pretty impressed with this Mazda 3. The last Mazda 3 hatchback I drove a few years ago, I honestly wasn't very impressed with. It felt really lightweight. It felt like it was being blown around on the highway. It didn't quite keep a natural course. I didn't like it. It felt cheap and lightweight, tinny, and it was fun to drive, but it didn't quite do it for me. And this is a whole different story. This car is stable. It has a very premium feel to it. It still feels lightweight, but it's fun. It kind of eggs you on to enjoy it and drive it a little bit harder. And it's just the right size too. It's a good weight. It's a good footprint on the road. There's a lot to like about this car. So I would say if you're looking for something fun in this segment, give this Mazda 3 a look. It's definitely worth checking out, and if I were in the market, I would definitely consider one. For me personally, it's kind of a deep B between this and the Honda Civic. The new Civic is really good as well, and there's a lot of good cars in this segment right now. There's a lot of good stuff. We live in good times. I will say that. I'm excited to try a manual version of this car. Curious to see what that would feel like. That said, though, you can't go wrong with this automatic. It is pretty darn good. Alright, guys. So that's it for the Mazda 3. Tomorrow I'm getting in a 2018 Volvo XC60. And that's going to be just a lot of fun because that was one of my favorite cars I drove last year. And I really, really can't wait to get some more drives and do a few videos on that. The 15 or so minutes that I spent in one at the Mama Rally was fantastic. So it's going to be a good week. And then after that, it's the Mazda CX-9. And I might have to do a little bit of a Mazda lineup comparison once that happens. Anyway, guys, there you go. Mazda 3, good car, fun week. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the video. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.